Factorial Biomechanics is very easy to use. For this example, we recorded our friend Angel with an iPhone 15 in the closest park. The video was recorded in slow-mo at 120 frames per second and in HD, 1080p. After ensuring the entire video is visualized in slow-mo, we transfer it to the computer. Using the latest version of Google Chrome, we open factorialbiomechanics.com and log into our free account. By clicking on Choose File, we can select the video we want to analyze from its containing folder. Once the video is on screen, I'm going to look for the calibration panel on the left side and open it. In this case, we used a 3-foot ruler, but you could use the subject's height or any preset measurements. I'm typing 3 for the reference real measure and clicking on Select Unit to find foot. Now click on Draw Reference. The cursor is going to change to a crosshair. We're going to click at the beginning of the ruler and drag until the end and release. Then click on Apply Calibration. Graphs automatically adopt the feet as a unit. Without calibration, the unit would be pixels, referring to the position of each key point on the video frame. Now, I'm going to press play, and you can see the model recognizing the body and joints immediately. Each time we press pause, the graphs are updated. If we want to break down the actions, we can use the gray knobs to trim. This will limit the time span of the information loaded to the graphs, as well as the CSV export or video downloads. Let's look at punches, for example, between this point and this point. Although at a glance you can tell some have longer reach than others, because we calibrated, we can get the actual length of that reach, as well as the speed of the punch. In the horizontal displacement graph, we can also see how the center of mass moves with the effort. The more pronounced the purple trace for the center of mass, the more force behind the punch. In this video, René is instructing Angel on ways to improve his form. You can see how the latter punches have a longer reach and are faster. By tracking and charting the whole body simultaneously from one video, we can dive into the detailed needs of the athlete and prepare the next training session.